Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare this yummy fish sauce. So stay tuned if you want to know how I achieve it. So lovelies, to begin I will start by washing the fish, and I'm using tilapia fish for this recipe. Okay guys, keep watching. So before I forget, make sure you wash your fish very well with some lime to remove the slimes on the fish. Yeah. So at this stage guys, I will start by seasoning the fish, and I'm going in with some black pepper, red pepper, yeah, with Maggi seasonings. Yeah, at this stage just add up anything you want to use for the seasoning of the fish. Okay guys, yeah, so after adding all the seasonings, I will just go ahead and massage the whole seasoning to marinate inside the fish. Yeah. So after that, I will go ahead and start frying the fish on a medium heat after you have heated up your oil. Yeah, so keep watching. So next is to go ahead and slice my bell peppers. I'm using bell peppers, green, red and yellow. Yeah, and next is my paprika, long sweet paprika with some onions. And as you can see, the fish is ready. Next is to remove it from fire. At this stage I will step the fish aside. Next is to blend ginger and garlic with some onions and the sweet paprika. Yeah, you can blend as much as you want depending the quantity of the sauce you are making. Yeah, so keep watching. Right now I added a little water to blend because my blender is not very strong. Next is to start by adding some oil on your frying pan. Yeah, and add a little thyme with some sliced onions. If you notice, the oil I added is the one I used frying the fish. Yeah, the one I used to fry the fish. I will highly recommend, if you want to try this recipe, please use this method and you will not regret it. Okay guys, so next is to add some tomato paste. As you can see, yeah, give it a quick stir. Okay guys.
A few moments later.
So next is to go ahead and add the blended paprika. Yeah, give it a quick mix. Okay guys. Okay guys, at this stage I will start by adding in some curry powder. Next is my chili powder. Yeah, the next one is to add is Maggi seasoning. Just add all the seasonings you need to add, any seasonings of your choice. Yes guys. The next one I will be going in is the beni. and this seasoning is so lovely. I love it. It's optional. You can also skip it or add any seasonings of your choice, so keep watching. So I will go ahead and give it a quick stir. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Next is to go ahead and add the fried tilapia fish. Okay guys, keep watching. So at this stage, I will make sure I stir very well so that all the sauce can go in well with the fish. Yeah, keep watching.
A few moments later.
So guys, at this stage, I will go ahead and add the sliced bell peppers. Yeah, the green, yellow, and red. After then, I will quickly give it a good stir, and then your fish sauce is ready. Oh my goodness, guys, this recipe is something else. And if you haven't tried this recipe, I urge you to try it. Just a trial will convince you. Okay guys.
A few moments later.
So right now the sauce is ready. We are going to be dishing it out. You can see how yummy is looking, nicely prepared, looking so delicious. Oh my goodness. Wow, I can't wait to have a taste of this. Oh my god. You can also enjoy this sauce recipe with yam, plantain, fried chips, name it all, anything of your choice. It goes down well. Honestly guys, this sauce is giving. A trial will convince you. Okay, my wonderful lovely people, thank you so much for watching this video to this extent. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming to watch my videos. I heart you guys. I love you all. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.